Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute and show you that how easy it is to make a t-shirt design. I don't believe that you need a graphic design degree to do this. If I had a degree in graphic design, I probably wouldn't be making t-shirts for Printful and Etsy. So, you know, a lot of people may disagree with me here. You have a right to your opinion. You know, also, you don't need expensive software. You know, not everybody can afford Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. Now, I have those things, but I want to show people who cannot afford those things, you know, an easy way to do this. So, PicMonkey, by the way, is no longer free. And because of that, there is another program that I have actually been using for years. I've never honestly used PicMonkey very much. I use this, iPicky.com. So is what you want to do is you want to go to create a design. Okay, so for Amazon merch and for Printful, it's usually going to make you required to be 4,500 by 5,400. So is what I do here, it's not going to allow me to go that high. So I'm just going to go 450 by 540 and I'm going to create. So here is our template here. I'm also going to show you how to get the vector background in the best way. You can do it in here, but I like to do it in a different section. So I'm going to add my photo. I've already made this shirt once, so I'm going to show you how I do this. So you want to always make sure it's a vector image, and I've got a program I can show you on how to do that. You don't have to worry about this being perfectly centered, because whenever you go to do the shirt, you can get everything centered up correctly then. Okay, so right now I'm going to go to add my text, and it's going to stay salty is what I'm going to do. So we're going to go stay, and I'm going to change this font. And for some reason on my beach t-shirts, I am really liking this font, Luna. Okay, I'm going to bold that, and I'm also going to change my color. So let's see here. Let's go to the pinks. Whoops. So let me drag this around a little bit. Okay, so I kind of like that. Now that I've chosen this color, I'm going to add additional text. So I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to hit Control C. That is to copy it. And you can just kind of play around with this a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to add my other text, salty. And let me go ahead and right here, or actually let's change the font. To the Luna. And I'm actually going to bold that too. Okay, so to go to this color, I just Control C, and now I'm going to hit Control V to paste it, and we're going to use this, and it changes the color. You know, it's the same color because we did a custom color. We didn't just pick one from what they had. Okay. Okay, so here is my image, and this is just a quick an easy image. I did, I think, a better job on doing this a little while ago. Okay, so I'm actually going to save this image to Salty 1. I'm going to save it to my computer. Okay. Now, in order to get a transparent background, I'm going to go to a site that I love so much. It's called Lunapic, and I like it because you can, this was actually the image I did before, so showing you how to do that. So let me hide and clear out all this, remove my history, close image. Okay, let me go back into Lunapic. Don't know why it's doing that. Okay, so we are going to choose our image, which was just Salty 1. Okay, and with one touch of a button, you click this, and it immediately turns it into a transparent background. And then you click Apply, and that's how easy that is to do. Okay, so the last step, let me go up here and save this image. File, save image, save as PNG. Okay, save as. Salty1.png. Okay, so Amazon merch and also Amazon merch and Printful require it to be a certain size. So I always go here to paint.net, and I'm going to open this transparent picture that I just made. Okay, Salty. I have so much stuff on here that I need to go through. Okay, so here it is right here. And the only thing that I'm going to do is resize this image. Okay, so I'm going to resize it. Okay, so I'm just going to add a 0 here. And I'm going to add a 0 here. 4500, 50, 400. Click OK. And then we're going to File, Save As. Okay. And just to show you here, I'm going to go to, I'm not actually going to do one, but, okay. So right here, I'm going to show you that how I upload my image. Okay. Upload file. I already have this file on here, so this is it right here, and you can tell it's saying that it has print quality is good, 375 dpi. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. So this is pretty much how it's going to look. And then when you proceed to mock-ups, I always use the flat mock-ups right here to do that. So that's how you do that. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be uploading a lot more videos. I am all about making supplemental income in addition to my day job, and so I would love to have as many subscribers as possible, and also hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when I upload another video. Everybody have a great day.